Well, hey everybody, I thought I'd throw some red Solo cups down together with the Coke can. See if that got us any interest at all. As you can see, puppies are curious puppies. Miss Sky Blue. Over there we got Mr. Dark Pink. And Miss Red Ribbon right here. Where are you dragging that off to, Miss No Ribbon? And we got puppies over here. That's our big puppy. He got his cup. Other puppy. Go on out there and get you a cup, Miss Yellow. Go on, go get you a cup. People want to see you with a cup? No, you don't want to do that? You think I'm going to feed you still? No, no tips. How about you? Who are you? Come here. Come here. You're alright. You're alright. Go on. Miss Blue. Hi. Now you're going to wave at the people? Sky Blue got her a cup. She's dragging off to, that's my cup, she says. See how long that lasts. I'm sure there'll be some puppy battles going on here. This puppy came in to get him another cup. There's a scrum going on right here. What is that, Miss Lime Green? Hi, there. You see your cup you're interested in? No? How about my other Miss Lime Green? You're more interested in the can. Oh my goodness. I had no idea they were going to be so noisy. Somebody's killing him a cup over in the corner. Oh, that's Miss Sky Blue. You like the can better, do you, Miss Light Blue? Miss Dark Blue, rather? Yeah. Big puppy, little puppy, fighting over a cup. Who is that big puppy? Yeah, who are you? I can't see. Oh, Miss Lime Green. Yeah, you're giving him what for? Uh-oh, somebody came over to help. Yeah, that was Mr. 13. Alright, well as you can see, tails are up. Everybody's having a wonderful day. It's a little dreary, so I don't know if we'll go out today. Calling for rain this afternoon, and it's cold out there now, probably about 50. So we might put off getting them out the door for another day. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah? Who wants to say goodbye? Anybody? Anybody want to you want to say goodbye? No, you don't want to say goodbye. Oh my gosh, somebody went out and got them a chair thingy. Well, that's a nice little toy for you. Yeah, you enjoying that? Yeah, alright, well, I'll take that as a goodbye.